Hey everybody, Shane Setter here from Royal LePage Wheeler-Shem, and we're out here in Rosedale, and one of my more favorite streets, top 10 I have to say, is Parkwood Drive. This beautiful Cape Cod-style home is everything you want. Beautiful unobstructed view of Mt.Cheam, massive backyard for the kids to play in, 4 bedrooms up, developed basement, beautiful layout. You can't ask for a better place. Let's go take a look. Thanks for viewing this listing today. As you can see, it's amazing. It's beautiful. This huge deck, this beautiful view. Imagine yourself, a cup of coffee, glass of wine, enjoying a nice summer evening out here. Can't ask for more. I'm Shane Setter with Royal LePage Wheeler-Shem. If you want more information on this listing or any of my others, give me a call. Take care.